bitty little one.
Cool.
There's more over here, but a little hole down there. So yeah, there's a big hole right there. I don't want to put my finger.
Yeah, I would think that's probably.
Oh, crayfish!
Yeah, check him out.
I did not pick him up though. Here, you gotta leave. Marty.
He'll only pinch you a little bit. There he is, in her hand.
Yeah, like just. So a little salamander and a little crayfish.
That's cool.
Ooh,
Now he opened up his fingers.
he's ready. He's gonna go after me though.
Yeah.
You put him back in here. The little one, the salamander.
Bye-bye, salamander. There he goes. Under the rocks. Be careful, little guy.
It's like the only. That's all.
That's pretty cool. Well, I read that they were
Oh
here.
God.
Yeah.
Here, let me just give him a little leave. Here. Yeah, look at him.
Yeah.
You hold that up.
Pretty strong. Hope he doesn't pull his arm out.
Yeah, just let go, man. There you go.
Cool.
That's just a little hole, isn't it?
Or it could be the salamander's hole. Yeah, he probably doesn't want to be in there. That's probably the salamander hole.
That was a big one, eh? Salamander's bite.
I wouldn't want to find out. Well, he's going in it. There he goes. All of a sudden, chomp, as the salamander comes up and grabs him.
Oh yeah.
Neat.
There might be some over here too. Little shower area.
That's protected. Oh, is that a spider? That's a spider right there.
I do not want to step on anything. Yeah, it looks like there's some. There might be something over here. Well, I can't see. It's too musty, but yeah.
Neat. Cool. That'll be fun to look at later.
Yeah. My leg just fell asleep, so.
Yeah. Well, something to come back and check. Yeah. Well, my favorite way of hiking. I'm not into crowds. Crackle. They can't be mileposts. That's no way. Maybe 1/10 of a mile. You know, I might have walked this when I was living back in '91. I told you I lived here in Pennsylvania for a while. I kind of, this looks familiar. I remember hiking and looking down the hill like that. Did it by myself. Okay, drove over from Lancaster in my Toyota pick-em-up truck. Came out on the trail, walked it. And it was kind of like this time of year too. When I was in late college, my third and fourth and into my fifth year, I used to go hiking with Dad a lot up in Baltimore County. We would hike the Gunpowder Trails together just to get exercise. Gosh, it was good times. Yeah, this is okay. What a hadooda? Isn't that different? Yeah, it's cute.
You can tell some good caretaking to it.
Well, yeah. What an interesting decision. I guess, I wonder if the trail at one time went around it, but then they made the conscious decision to put it through here recently. How curious. Ta-da!
You're like, what is that? I want you guys to leave and I want to back to hell and run.
No. Don't serve the way.
Oh, it's cool though. I never think they'll get this big, especially our Americans. There's no one over there.
Yep, and they're having a war.
Really?
They could be. They probably go underground. They're probably extensions of the same hill.
I hate to be the person to say this is like
They're deciding to take a nap on it.
There's so many here going out. Remember these? We should go to the syrup and
I take them off. He was biting me, one was. Well, look at him attacking my camera.
Have fun getting that back. Oh, they're coming for you. Again.
Ooh, I'm out.
Ouch.